Hello guys, welcome to ITAC, Information Technology and Communication. I'm your girl Favor Tower, your queen of positive vibes. And as you know what we do on ITAC now, we talk about information, talk about technology, talk about communication. So yes, let's dive into it. Please don't touch that dial.
In the heart of Ondo State and Nigeria, there is a place where innovation thrives and dreams take flight. Welcome to Information Technology's Hub and Synergy. At ITAC, we're more than just a technology hub. We're a nurturing and synergistic community that fosters the creation and support of information technology products and services. Here, people from all walks of life come together to gain digital skills and access top-notch infrastructure, turning their ideas into successful digital ventures. Entrepreneurs find a home at ITAC, where they can transform their ideas into successful digital ventures. With the support of our vibrant community, we strive to establish an ecosystem that nurtures creativity, collaboration, and entrepreneurship, allowing individuals to flourish and make a meaningful, long-lasting difference. At ITAC, we embrace the convergence of technology, creativity, and business, fueling innovation and driving digital transformation. Our commitment to excellence, innovation, and partnership supports organizations and individuals in realizing their vision of making a lasting impact on the digital landscape. Join us at Information Technology Hub and Synergy, where innovation knows no bounds and dreams become reality.
Hello guys, welcome back from that very interesting one. And today's topic is no other one but Internet of Things. I know a lot of people wondering like, what is Internet of Things? All right, just calm down because on iPad, we will definitely tell you what Internet of Things is, how smart devices make work easier, how they are interconnected. Sometimes you can wonder like, how does it happen? How do things get connected, Bluetooth connected to your phone, to your devices? How does it happen, right? Okay, that's why we are here to give you guys the information you all require. So yes, please sit tight.
Imagine you're at work and realize that you might not have turned off the air conditioner while leaving your house. Instead of traveling all the way back home, what if you could use your smartphone to know the status of your AC and perhaps even turn it off? Wouldn't that be amazing? Well, yes. And this can be achieved with the help of the Internet of Things. Until recently, access to the internet was limited via devices like the desktop, tablet, or smartphone. But now, with IoT, practically all appliances can be connected to the internet and monitored remotely. IoT is shaping the way we live our lives. It helps us get a better insight into the working of things around us. So, what exactly is the Internet of Things? IoT is a system of interrelated devices connected to the internet to transfer and receive data from one to the other. A smart home is the best example of IoT. Home appliances like the AC, doorbell, thermostats, smoke detectors, water heaters, and security alarms can be interconnected to share data with the user over a mobile application. The user can now get detailed insight into the working of the devices around him. Think about it. Until recently, the internet helped people connect and interact with each other. But now, inanimate objects or things have the ability to sense the surroundings, to interact and collaborate with one another. For example, in the morning when your alarm goes off, the IoT system can open the window blinds, turn on the coffee pot for you, and even turn on the water heater. Although all of this is fascinating, there's a lot that goes on in the background to ensure seamless functioning. From effective communication between devices to accurate processing of the data received, a lot of components are involved. In the context of IoT devices, hardware can be classified into general devices and sensing devices. The general devices are the main components of the data hub and information exchange. They are connected either by wired or wireless interfaces. Home appliances are a classic example of such devices. The sensing devices, on the other hand, include sensors and actuators. They measure the temperature, humidity, light intensity, and other parameters. These IoT devices are connected to the network with the help of gateways. These gateways, or processing nodes, process the information collected from the sensors and transfer it to the cloud. The cloud acts as both the storage and processing unit. Actions are performed on the collected data for further learning and inferences. Wired and wireless interfaces like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Zigbee, GSMs, and so on are used to provide connectivity. To ensure its ubiquity, applications need to support a diverse set of devices and communication protocols, from tiny sensors capable of sensing and reporting the desired factor, to powerful back-end servers that are utilized for data analysis and knowledge extraction. To help you understand its working, let's take a simple scenario. Let's suppose you want to water your garden every time the moisture level in the soil drops. Instead of doing it manually, you could automate it using IoT. The sensors and actuators installed gauge the soil for its moisture. This information is sent to the IoT gateway with the help of communication protocols like MQTT or HTTP. The gateway significantly aggregates data and feeds it to the cloud with the help of Wi-Fi LAN. Once the moisture level drops, the system is immediately triggered and the sprinklers are turned on. However, with the information stored in the cloud, a detailed analysis like the time of the day the sprinkler was turned on, the rate at which the moisture in the soil reduces, and so on, can be done, and the report could be sent over to you on your smartphone over an app. With the improved response, monitoring, and analytical capabilities, IoT is being adopted in almost all industries and domains, opening doors to endless applications. Today, IoT is being used extensively to lessen the burden on humans. To name a few, IoT is deployed for smart homes, wearables, watches and bracelets, smart cars, smart farming, smart retail, smart grids, smart city, and smart healthcare. With such a wide spectrum of applications, the future of IT looks more promising than ever before. In 2018, there were about 23 billion connected devices, which was more than double the world population. According to experts, there will be over 80 billion devices by 2025. IoT is a vision to connect all devices with the power of the internet, always learning and always growing. Now that you have a picture of what IoT is, here's a simple question for you. Which of the following technologies is not used as an interface for a network? 1. Wi-Fi. 2. Ethernet. 3. Zigbee. 4. VPN. Give it a thought and leave your answers in the comment section below. 3 lucky winners will receive Amazon gift vouchers. The integration of IoT with other technologies like cloud computing, machine learning, and artificial intelligence is paving the way for many new and exciting innovations. And that is the Internet of Things for you in short.
Nigeria is rising, and our security challenges require bold, innovative solutions.
The future of our nation depends on the power of technology.
We are calling on every developer, innovator, technology professional, and the tech company to join hands with Information Technologies Hub and Sinosha, ITAC,
to build the 10-point National Technology Security Strategy.
Your ideas can solve real problems, from cyber fraud
to local theft,
from misinformation
to community surveillance.
Your expertise can protect millions.
Ẹ jẹ́ kí ẹ darapọ̀ mọ́ra láti dáàbò bo ilé wa.
Ka anyị jikọọ ọnụ mee ka obodo anyị dị nchebe.
Mu haɗu guri guda domin kare Nigeria.
Together, we can secure our nation. Bring your solutions.
Bring your prototypes.
Bring your community insights.
Your innovation can save lives and shape a safer Nigeria.
Register now to join the ITAC National Technology Security Strategy movement.
Scan the QR code or visit the registration page
to share your experience and contribute to a secure Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Technology with humanity at its core.
Together, we'll build a stronger nation.
Yes, it's Tech in View. That's very interesting segment that you should always long to watch. Technology in View is that segment that we tell you the tech that's in view, the ones that are actually breaking grounds, the ones that are actually trying to, and the ones that have broken grounds already. You know, every day is actually a diversifying thing, right? Every day things are being formed, new technologies, new things. So right about now, let's watch out and see that technology in view that you all should actually stay tuned and watch out for.
By 2026, AI could automate up to 70% of everyday work tasks. In this video, I'm sharing 17 new technology trends that will shape 2026. From brain-controlled devices to walking robots, and how they're already starting to change the way we live. Let's dive in. Number 17, low-code, no-code development. You ever feel like building an app or tool is only for engineers? Well, as you can already tell, that's not the case anymore. By 2026, it's expected that over 75% of new apps will be built using low-code or no-code platforms. That's stuff like Glide, Bubble, and Microsoft Power Apps, where you just drag, drop, and hit publish. Even OpenAI is letting people build their own AI tools with zero code using those custom GPTs. And Google's AppSheet businesses are automating full workflows without hiring devs. Number 16, AI-crafted experience in extended reality. VR isn't just headsets and games anymore. It's getting smart, like actually thinking for itself smart. In 2026, we'll see more of these AI-powered XR or extended reality spaces that generate themselves based on what you're doing. NVIDIA's already doing this with real-time characters that hold full-on conversations. Meta's pumping billions into avatars that don't just look better, they react. They improvise. And at CES, virtual shops were adapting their layout depending on how people moved around. Number 15, smart infrastructure and LOT 2.0. All right, let's zoom out a bit, literally. By 2026, there'll be over 30 billion IoT devices. We're talking traffic lights that adjust in real time based on congestion, which is already a thing in Singapore, warehouses using AWS and Verizon to track equipment inventory without human input, and in South Korea, they got smart poles that do everything from air quality monitoring to charging your phone. Number 14. Privacy-first AI and local processing. Apple's new chips can now handle AI tasks directly on your device. No cloud, no upload, just fast, private processing. And Meta's Llama 3 models, you can run them locally too. Intel's Meteor Lake chips are designed to do this out of the box with built-in AI accelerators. With pressure building from Europe's GDPR and California's CCPA, AI is learning how to stay offline and keep your data to itself. Number 13, workflow automation at scale. Tools like ServiceNow, UiPath, and Zapier are helping companies automate full workflows. From hiring to invoicing, no human hands needed. ServiceNow actually reported up to 65% reduction in repetitive work thanks to automation in large companies. Amazon's warehouses already use predictive analytics to coordinate people and robots. So yeah, we're not just talking about automating tasks anymore. Whole processes are running on their own, and it's happening fast. Number 12, AI-enhanced robotics in retail and logistics. Agility Robotics started deploying its digital robot at Amazon warehouses in 2024. Walmart, they're using autonomous shelf scanners in over 1,000 stores. And if you're on a college campus, chances are you've seen one of those Starship or Kiwi bots delivering food. These bots aren't remote controlled. They're using AI vision, real-time mapping, and they're getting smarter every week, especially with worker shortages. These robots are here to stay. Number 11, AI native operating systems. So, you know how your phone suggests texts or autocorrects on the fly? In 2026, that kind of AI won't just be in apps. It's getting baked directly into operating systems. Microsoft's already testing Copilot inside Windows 11, where you can literally ask your desktop to summarize files, rewrite emails, or generate images without switching tabs. Apple's expected to announce more AI-native features in Mac OS and iOS too, running on-device with their new neural engines. It's not just smarter apps anymore. It's your entire system thinking with you, step by step. Number 10, wearables that know you better than you do. Wearables aren't just step counters anymore. They're turning into 24/7 health monitors that can track stress, blood oxygen, and even early illness. Aura and Whoop are already giving athletes and everyday users recovery scores and sleep cycles. Now, new models are adding blood sugar tracking without finger pricks, and companies like Movano are working on continuous blood pressure wearables. Some smart rings even detect changes in skin temperature before you get sick. And the best part? A lot of these devices now feed data to AI that gives you personalized nudges, not just numbers. Number 9. Quantum computing nears utility. Quantum computing has always sounded like sci-fi, but 2026 might be the year it starts showing up in real workflows. IBM hit 1,000 qubits in 2023 and plans to debut a 1386 qubit chip this year. They're also developing error-corrected systems that are getting closer to doing something useful, like simulating molecules for new drugs or optimizing supply chains way faster than classical computers. Companies like Google, IonQ, and Rigetti are right there in the race too. It's still early days, but the demos are getting real, and the pace is quickening.
Choosing the right career, because a lot of people now choose different career, but this program has educated me the success way and the pathway to choose a successful career that will be relevant in the future.
I came here to learn how my career affects my story, and since I've been here, I learned that we need skills, soft skills and technical skills. We also need skills like business skills, financial skills, God skills, and some other skills.
We are here to learn more about our career choices and how to manage our emotions. And we also learned on how to improve our employability, which means a way to be more employable, a way to attract employers to employ you.
Something says your career, your story, creating a pathway to success. I learned today that without a career, you can't have a story. Your story can't be full. And with a story and with a career, you'll be able to build up a pathway to success.
I learned about self-development, which is about developing yourself and self-skills, which includes problem solving, creative thinking, and communication. We also talked about emotional intelligence, which includes awareness, optimism, and relationship management. So we talked about the strategies for job seekers, which includes writing a CV that actually it rhymes with the job you want to apply for, and you must be mentally stable. Also, you must show that leadership skill. Also learned about the importance of networking and the seven keys of intelligence, which are the ABCDEF skills.
Oh, my name is Ibrahim Oloko. I'm the president of the Muslim Society of Nigeria, ITAC. So for this program, it's supposed to be a yearly program, but this is the first session that we're having. And our motive for this program is we noticed that there's a skill gap between school and the job markets. And we felt like students are backwards. And we felt like we need to bring them in. The first ever career counseling seminar, we need to bring up something like this so that students from secondary school, that's the end of secondary school, then undergraduates can have a sense of responsibility that they need to build a brand for themselves and not just going to school, read, and read, but they need to start something, build a brand for themselves.
I am Atala Bila. I am the chairman and committee of this career counseling seminar. Basically, the motive of this program is to let you understand that while in school, while doing your academics, you have to plan on other things apart from academics. You have to look into other things. Like I study computer engineering in school, and I'm a UI UX designer. I do designs and Basically, I'm the design team lead of this program. So apart from your academics, you have to like go into some other things.
Nigeria is rising, and our security challenges require bold, innovative solutions.
The future of our nation depends on the power of technology.
We are calling on every developer, innovator, technology professional, and the tech company to join hands with Information Technologies Hub and Cynosure, ITAC,
to build the 10-point National Technology Security Strategy.
Your ideas can solve real problems, from cyber fraud
to local theft,
from misinformation
to community surveillance.
Your expertise can protect millions.
Ẹ jẹ́ kí ẹ darapọ̀ mọ́ra láti dáàbò bo ilé wa.
Ka anyị jikọọ ọnụ mee ka obodo anyị dị nchebe.
Mu haɗu guri guda domin kare Nigeria.
Together, we can secure our nation. Bring your solutions.
Bring your prototypes.
Bring your community insights.
Your innovation can save lives and shape a safer Nigeria.
Register now to join the ITAC National Technology Security Strategy movement.
Scan the QR code or visit the registration page
to share your experience and contribute to a secure Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Technology with humanity at its core.
Together, we'll build a stronger nation.
Yes, it's app of the week. One pick, no stress. Let's dive into it. That application that is breaking grounds. That one that each and every one of you should, or I know you must already have in your phones, but if you don't have it, you should have it on your mobile phones or on your gadget. So yeah, watch out for app of the week. Guys, welcome back from that very interesting one. Right about now, it's time for us to call it a day on this very show. I'm your girl favorite Tawo. I will talk about what the Internet of Things. I'm glad you all learned one or two things from this very segment. Please don't wait to catch me same time, same station. See you when I see you. Bye, guys.